Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me this beautiful deep wave 16-inch wig. It is a closure wig and it is glueless, so I didn't put any glue on it, like no glue, none. The only thing that's in it right now is the mousse that I used to do the baby hairs, but apart from that there's absolutely no glue, no spray, no nothing. You guys will see when you see me installing the wig, nothing. But before I jump into that, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the box. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. And they sent me obviously this wig and 16-inch 5x5 lace front wig, and it is deep wave. It says it here on the box itself. But just a little bit of what they sent to me. So obviously they sent me their card with their information on it, Instagram and Facebook. They sent me this little bag to put the wig in for when you're done using it, some bonnet, baby hair combs or edge brush, whatever you guys want to call it, tail comb, some clips. Ooh, so funny because I was looking for like a small lash and they had one, but I didn't realize because I didn't check the box like an idiot. Headband, which I did not use again because I did not check the box, and some stocking cap, but I didn't need to use the stocking cap because I already had one on my head. But yeah, that is what they sent to me inside the box. And obviously the wig itself, I did not want to do a wet look. I wanted it to be dry and kind of poofy, hence why I left it like this. I did put a little bit of product in it. I wet it a little bit and then brushed it out back because I didn't like it wet. So I like it like this. I like the little poofy, you know, vibe that it's giving. And as far as the hair, the quality is good. It did not shed, and I did bleach it and everything didn't shed as much as I expected it, because it is curly hair. Curly hair normally sheds a lot. Didn't really shed. The lace is good. Yeah, for me everything is good and I had no complaints. But yeah, let's just jump right into the video. But before we jump into that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Without further ado, let's just jump into the video, because like I feel like I'm not saying that right. Without further ado, you know what? Let's get into it.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, deep. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is so kind and loyal. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is so kind and loyal. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. All summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana. Excuse my manners, I got standards. Excuse my manners, I got standards. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They going tell me, we going down to. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I'm one with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I'm one with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. What? Why can't losers never lose in peace? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to purchase this wig, definitely check the link down in the description box. If I have a coupon code, which I'm not sure, it will also be down in the description box as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.